Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to filter low quality messages and how to allow message requests from everyone on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then you should click on the More button down below in the left side corner. Tap on Settings and Support, then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on this Privacy and Safety section in the middle of the screen. Then click on Direct Messages in the right side. And here you can allow messages from everyone, so even those people who don't follow you yet can send you a message request and add you to group conversations. So tap onto this box if you would like to enable this feature. You can also hide message requests that are considered to be potentially spam or low quality. They will be sent to a separate inbox. Or you can also show read receipts, meaning that, or read receipts, so let people you're messaging with know when you have seen their messages. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.